My name's Andrew, and thanks to WarmZilla, I've gone from having a broken boiler and a cold home to having warm water and a fully working central heating system in less than 48 hours. So I filled out the survey, booked a date on the calendar. Then on the day of the installation, the installer called me in the morning to say what time he'd be around. Turned up on time. He came in, had a little look around, put dust sheets everywhere. When completing the work, he took the old boiler, pretty much left the room as he found it. Communication with the engineer was great. He explained everything that needed to be done, kept me in the loop, answered any questions that I had. At the end of the installation, he took me through how the boiler worked, took me through how my new Google Nest worked, and pretty much went above and beyond at every step of the installation. So overall, absolutely over the moon, and I would wholeheartedly recommend WarmZilla to anyone looking for a new boiler.